To make your dragon eye, you'll need a small piece of white paper, a marble, and either colored pencils or thin markers, or even both. Sometimes I like to mix the two. A black Sharpie, a pair of scissors, and some tacky glue. The first thing you need to do is place the marble on the paper, trace around it to get the shape, and then you're going to cut it out with your scissors. It's okay if it ends up being a little bit bigger than the marble, because you can always trim it down later. Now you're going to color the piece of paper, and this will be the color of your dragon eye. When I'm coloring it in eyes, I always like to start in the middle and work my way out. And I try to make sure I have different colors, and you can see the lines and do some shading around the edges to make it look more realistic. When you are finished, you can go ahead and place the marble on top of your paper, just so you know that it fits if you need to trim it down anymore. Next, you're going to add a tiny dot of tacky glue, very small, you don't need very much at all. And then you're going to place the marble right on top and make sure you squeeze really hard, that way the glue spreads around. It will be white at first, but once it dries, it will dry clear. Next, you're going to take your Sharpie and you are going to draw a line down the middle of the marble. So a vertical line down the middle of the marble, just like that. And you can even add some curves in the middle to make your eye look a little bit different, or maybe you want to create a different shape, but this is going to be the black part of the dragon's eye, and so you can create it any way you want to. And now you've finished your dragon eye.